Let me just remove this. Let me just remove this now. Next topic, scanner class. Please keep residing as scanner class. Please keep residing as scanner class. Right. Scanner class. Now, point number one. First point. Scanner class is present in java.util package. Scanner class is present in java.util package. Scanner class is used to accept the input dynamically at runtime. Scanner class is used to accept the input dynamically at runtime. If we are using the scanner class, in our program, we need to use import statement. We need to use import statement. Guys, did you remember why we need to use import statement? Why? Or when we need to use import statement? If both the classes are present in two different packages. If both the classes are present in two different packages, in that scenario, we need to use import statement. Okay. Now, guys, please observe here. I'm just trying to write a very, very simple program, guys. Very simple program. Void just method one. Okay. Now here, just I'm trying to take a variable. I'm trying to take a small variable. Int a equal to 10. Int b equal to 20. Yes, int b equal to 20. And after that, int c equal to a plus b, like this. Now system.out.println here addition plus c. I'm just trying to write like this. So, okay, just let me try to execute my program. Main method. Now, inside my main method, simply I'm trying to create an object, new class A. Let me try to have a reference here. AOBJ belongs to class A. Just a reference. After that, AOBJ dot method one. I'm just trying to call my method one. Now, please check this. Right click, run as Java application. And yes, I'll be getting my output as 30. Now, what I want to do is, guys, whenever I'm calling this method, always A value is 10. Always B value is 20. I don't want to go like this. These are static inputs. Static means Always A value is 10 and B value is 20. I want to take the input from the user. I want to take input from the user, and accordingly, I want to perform the operations at runtime. At runtime, I want to ask the user whatever the data, whatever the value which is given by the user, basing on that value, I want to perform the operation. Are you understanding me, guys? If that is my requirement, if I want to accept the inputs directly from the user at runtime, I need to use scanner class. For example, please check this. Let me just try to have one more method. Void method 2. Void method 2. Okay. Now just here, I'm just trying to write system.out.println method 1 like this. This is method 1. Method 1. And here I'll be going with method 2. Method 2. Now please observe here. System.out.println. Please enter the first number. I'm asking the user to enter the first number. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Scanner class. Scanner class is present in which package? Java.util package. In scanner class, it is a predefined class. It is a predefined class. In scanner class, there is this method known as next int method. In scanner class, there is this method known as next int method. Concentrate, next int method. What this next int method will be doing, next int method will accept integer as an input from the keyboard, and it will return the same data which is entered by the user. Okay. For example, guys, if I want to call this next int method, what I need to do, tell me. What I need to do. Okay, for example, guys, method 2 is present in which class? I mean, right now, here, in this example, method 2 is present in which class? Class A. If I want to call method 2, what I need? Create an object for which class? Class A. Am I right or wrong, guys? We need to call a method. I repeat, we need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. Now, what I need to do, I want to call this next int method. Tell me what I need to do. Create an object for class A or scanner class? Scanner class. Why? Because this method is present inside which class? Scanner class. Okay. Online students, are you following, guys? Online students, are you following? Please tell me. Please tell me, are you following? Right. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, guys, let me try to create an object for scanner class. New SCANNER, new scanner. After that, equal to some SC. I'm just trying to give a reference. That's it. It's not mandatory that I need to give SC only. I can give any name, any identifier name. SC belongs to SCANNER, scanner. Now, guys, tell me one thing. What is this new keyword? What is this scanner constructor? enter. Now, guys, actually,